Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two LCD TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type LCD. Panel type VA and VA-QD. Backlight direct LED. Screen size 43, 50, 55, 65, 75, 85, 98 inch Europe and 43, 50, 55, 65, 75, 85 inch USA. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Pixel density 45 ppi and 52 ppi. Display colors 1070 million. Bit deep 10 bit. Response time 5.7 millisecond and 7.0 millisecond. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision and HDR10 Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision. Video processor AIPQ and Xon. High gig, yes and no. Part 2, connectivity. Number of HDMI 3 into HDMI 2.1 and 4 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 1 into USB-A and 2 into USB-A. RJ45 ports 1 into RJ45. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AC and Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX. Bluetooth 5 and 5.3. Part 3, features. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Voice assistants Google Assistant, Alexa. Voice commands yes. Use browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4, audio. Speakers 2.1 45 watts and 2.0 20 watts. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Audio yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Detached Audio yes. Detached Digital Surround yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Part 5, design. Dimensions 1.25 into 2.18 into 73 mm and 1.09 into 1.9 into 71 mm. Weight 56.5 kg and 45.2 kg. Supports VISA mount yes. Maximum operating temperature 35 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. Tuners DVB T2 S2 C Europe and attached 1.0 USA. Special features anti-reflective filter, Game Bar 2.0, motion accelerator 120 and PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.